Welcome back at yet another video. This time we are briefly going to take a look at the setting up process for the IKEA TRÅDFRI Hub. In the unboxing video you could see that I had bought the light sensor and a warm white LED bulb. The next steps will show you how to pair those two via the TRÅDFRI Hub and the app. First off, let's download the app on Android. Go to the Play Store and search for IKEA TRÅDFRI. The app only gets a 2.9 out of 5. Tap on install and after that on open. You will be greeted by a friendly message. Tap on the checkbox whenever you agree to the terms and conditions and tap on Let's Get Started. Make sure you have connected your TRÅDFRI Hub to power and Ethernet, then tap on Next. To log in on your hub, you need to tap on Scan and scan the QR code on the back of the hub. This process can take some time, but it's needed to connect to the hub. This is everything you need to know for connecting the hub to your phone and the internet. So after setting up the hub, you will be prompted with a choice for what device you like to connect first. In our case, it will be the light sensor. Tap on the image of the motion sensor. This is nice. Instead of taking a look at a paper manual, you will be shown all the information you need. Let's put this information to use and get the light sensor working. First, take the back of the light sensor off, it's just a mount. Take out the little screw and remove the battery cover and place the batteries in, of course with the plus sign downwards. The batteries are included, that's nice. Putting back the battery cover was a challenge, almost broke the damn thing. Put the screw back in place. Here you will see two dials and one button. With the left one you can choose when the sensor should work and with the right one you can choose the duration of the light. Let's reset the motion sensor. Reset the motion sensor by pressing quickly 4 times on the connect button. After this a red light will flash on the front and you will have to wait for 10 seconds. It won't show up on camera but was visible for me. As with all IKEA devices, keep it close to the hub to connect it. 2 cm is recommended by IKEA. Now next to the hub, press the button of the light sensor for 2 seconds and you will see a light flashing on the hub. When the flashing stops, it's connected. So take out your phone, put it in your hand and you will see the message that it is connected. The IKEA light sensor is now connected to the hub. Next up will be the LED bulb. Tap on bulb. Again you will be prompted with all the information you need. We will connect this lamp via the light sensor which we just installed. Put the LED bulb in the socket and make sure the power is on. So to continue, tap on the image of the light sensor. How to connect the bulb? Same as the sensor. Hold it next to the hub. Press for 10 seconds on the button. After the 10-second press, the bulb will show up in the app. It also recognizes what bulb you connected. Hey, that's nice. In our case, it's a warm white LED bulb. Let's rename the bulb. We'll be putting it in the hallway, so let's name it Hallway. So, we are done setting it all up. The light sensor and bulb are now connected to each other and via the app. Outside of renaming the device, it is also possible to rename the group name. After changing it, press on Done. After tapping on Done, you will be prompted with extra information such as services and extra products. Also the app will automatically update your devices. The bulb is really easy to control. The light sensor is only controllable via the hardware buttons and not via the app, so you need to take it off the wall or ceiling every time you want to set something up. We are currently using this in the downstairs toilet because nobody needs longer than 10 minutes of light while sitting still. That's it for now. Leave a comment down below with what you want me to do next time. Should we have a look at Philips Hue or do you want another walkthrough through the Trust or IKEA app? Also don't forget to leave a like if you like this video and subscribe to stay updated and I will see you next time. Hey, bye!